I definitely don't know what happened to these guys. Stick around and find out. But I gotta clean these guys up. Well, hey, I'm back, and I just want to first say thank you so much for commenting on my last video. It means a lot. So I haven't officially left YouTube yet. Ouch, that was my foot, Astro. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Yeah, okay, just watch the foot next time. Alright, so I got a really cool video coming up, so sit back, relax. Before we start, I got a very important question to ask Astro. Be honest with me, what do you think of my YouTube channel? You have nothing, really?
It's mediocre at best.
What?
Not going to lie, I have seen a lot of great channels out there and yours just isn't cutting it.
Well, that's not very nice, Astro. I work really hard.
You need to make entertaining videos.
Well, how about this? How do I make it a little more entertaining? You like silly string? Yeah, you like that?
Oh no, my digital robot eyes. Seriously, I am so done with you.
Well, I'm done with you, Astro. Just go away. I'll just keep shooting stuff at you. I try. Yes, I can already hear it in the chat. Yes, this is very unrealistic. Why in the world are you doing this? Well, for starters, I thought this would be cool to show how these robot vacuums handle a very odd cleaning challenge. Never thought I would mix robot vacuums and party string together. But as you can see, they suck them up like pasta, and they actually do a pretty good job, minus the brushes getting tangled up. But I'll show that in a minute or so. Alright, before we continue on, I want to tell you guys a secret. Don't tell anyone, but I am currently just turned 36. Yes, it's my birthday, November 18th, so happy birthday to myself. Okay, so let's see how well this Narwal Freo does. I got some obstacle challenge here. I believe I bought 30 or so cans of silly string. I had so much fun doing this. Okay, so let's see how much silly string this vacuum cleaner sucked up. Looks like it just got clumped up in the dustbin. Kind of surprised I was able to actually get it in there. And you can see there's some nuts spilled out in the extractor bar area and where the dustbin's at. Now, here's where it gets all tangled up. But luckily with silly string, it basically crumbles as it dries. So it's pretty easy to clean off this robot vacuum. Alright, so next challenge. Let's go ahead and do 2 cans worth of silly string, and I think it might be a little too much for this guy. So what I observed is if there's too much silly string, well, the extractor bar gets all tangled up. So let me go ahead and show you that here. The robot vacuum will air it out. Luckily, these guys are pretty smart, so they don't over stress the drivetrain. I'm pretty sure if there wasn't sensors, I would probably broken a bunch of robot vacuums doing this channel. Alright, so as it's struggling through, it eventually does stop, and it will let you know in the app that there's an error. And I'm going to show you that. You can see all the tangled there, and mainly it was just that side brush that got all clumped up. Alright, all you Roomba fans out there, well, looks like the J7 has an anti-proof silly string. Yep, since there's no LiDAR sensor, I can basically put silly string on top of the robot without it causing any damage or getting into the sensors. So good job, Roomba. You're basically a tank. Okay, so if you've watched my channel, you may have seen a couple other crazy challenges. I did like an Orbeez challenge, I did a rice challenge. So if you haven't seen those videos, check those out. They both got over 1.5 million views. Yes, I know you guys are completely into this kind of stuff. Not sure why, but I find this pretty entertaining. Well, what do you guys think so far? You liking this type of video? Give me a thumbs up. It does help out my channel. And it also allows me to know that you guys are actually interested in this style of videos. Or I might just shut down my YouTube channel and just go away for good. I'm just kidding. Alright, let's go ahead and give you my final verdict. And let's go and grab all these guys. And give you my verdict. Alright, what do you guys think of that challenge? Yes, I know it's out there, but I thought it was going to be kind of fun. And guess what, guys? It's my birthday. So, silly string, Robot Master's birthday. I'm 36. I felt like it was a perfect combination. Alright, let's go ahead and just talk about what I observed. You notice that the Roomba basically went head on with the challenge, and it got stuck at first. So I don't fault it for getting stuck, but it kept airing out. I had to revive this guy for about 3 or 4 times. The L10s Ultra got stuck once, had to revise it. It was mainly the extractor bar got all tangled up, but it's pretty easy to clean. Silly string, you just kind of just brush it off and take a vacuum cleaner. So there's going to be no damage to these robots. Now, what surprised me is the Narwal actually survived and didn't need any intervention. It was able to complete the entire challenge. Alright, let's check out the dustbins real quick. I guess I'll start with the Narwal. See? A lot of debris there. Do the J7. Gonna open it up for you guys. You can see how much is in there. And finally, the L10. So, just from the looks of it, both the L10 and Narwal had the most debris in its dustbin, whereas the J7, if you look at their hair wrap, they all kind of accumulated inside there, which caused the error. But the extractor bars themselves doesn't really have any wrap in the hair versus these guys. Let's check out that real quick. Really surprising, there's not much hair wrap. And this guy, you guys can see a bunch of hair or silly string wrapped here, and the extractor bar as well. And it all accumulates down in there. Okay, so I got some cleaning up to do. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you find these videos helpful. I'm going to try to do more of these creative videos for you guys. Less product reviews, more just fun, interesting videos with robots and mainly vacuum cleaners as well. Alright, see you later. Stick around because I got some new cool videos as well. Adios.